Press search button. Enter HU101-1. Press search button. Choose Silica. Choose HU101 998, 10. Check if the original key can work well. Press Menu and Info button to know the basic information. This key is guided by tip. Press Close. Press Decode to enter the decoding page. Click the image of 3 terminal positioning and tick Round off. Fix the original key on car key clamp. Please note the key should be fixed level. Press Decode and then the picture of clean the groove from chips to start decoding. Take away the original key. Fix HU101 key blank on car key clamp. Please note the key blank should be fixed level. Click Cut button to enter cutting page. Press Speed button and choose Normal Resolution button. Click the image of 3 terminal positioning. Adjust the cutting depth parameter to 1.1 mm. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Change the other side of the key blank on the car key clamp for cutting. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works.